Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And this is layout number 1. And I'm going to start with Daisy White cardstock from Close to My Heart and the alphabet stencil from Close to My Heart. And so we are going to butt that right up against the edge there. And I'm going to get some of this tape, masking tape, to hold it down because we are going to do a little bit of mixed media. And I just want to make sure this doesn't move around because my thought is to do an ombre look using this metallic white paint that I purchased, I think Hobby Lobby. I don't think it was Michael's, it was Hobby Lobby. And then I want to use Logan and Glacier ink from Close to My Heart. And I want to use this applicator to do that ombre look. So let's start with Logan, the darker color. I'm going to rub some of that ink on my applicator, and I'm going to start at the bottom of each of these alphabets. And right now, I have no other design plan yet in my head other than using these 3 mixed media products, which now is that we finish applying the Lagoon, now we're going to apply the Glacier. All right, now that I'm done applying the Glacier, I am going to finger paint this metallic white. It looks pearlized, like an off-white almost. And I'm just going to add, see if I like it like that. Oh, I think I'm going to have to use a paintbrush here. Now, when you add water to your acrylic paints, it does break down the properties, but for scrapbooking, that's okay. And when I'm going to use my charcoal exclusive ink, and and I think I'm going to use the scripted pad, and I am going to go through this stencil with the charcoal ink. See, look at that. Yep, I like that. All right, now that you just finished watching me stamp first, second, third, fourth generation through this stencil, now it's time to reveal what I've created. Oh, I love how this turned out, except for right here. So it already tells me that I'm going to cut this and use this as a paper layer for my foundation. I may even just cut it like right here. We'll wait and see, but I love how that just turned out. Yay! Now for my foundation layer, I have 2 pattern papers from the Celebrate You collection. And the top one that you see right there, I cut 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. And then my mixed media background paper that I created, I cut that one 7.5 by 11. And I'm going to place that on the lower half of my foundation layer. So for my foundation layer, I have 3 layers, one 12 by 12 pattern paper, one 11 3/4, and then one that is 7.5 by 11. I'm taking my photographs and matting them on that Lagoon pattern paper that has that vinyl finish of little dots. I'm taking the zip strip to separate all my different pattern papers, which just makes my photographs pop. Then I am using the Celebrate You sticker sheet for my embellishing. So you can see I took the banners and layered them on top of each other and placed those in the upper right hand corner. And I'm taking several word phrases from the sticker sheet to create my title. And I'm inking the edges with what ink do I use? I use the charcoal ink. And see how I've layered all those stickers above my photographs? I'm taking this round circle from my scrappy stash that is from an older Allie Edwards collection. And it says, love these moments. I added my journaling lines for journaling. And you can see my layout is complete. I added a few more stickers over there to the left side of my title. And my title says, hip, hip, hooray, celebrating you, make every moment count, eat cake. I also added some enamel dots. And like I said, this layout is complete. Don't forget to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I'll have the link listed below, and our Facebook group site. Give us a thumbs up. Show us lots of love and attention over there at YouTube so that we are inspiring people that you and I don't know that is looking for inspiration to document their memories. See you next time. Bye.